Over the years, cricket has become one of the wealthiest sports in the world. Back in years, Forbes list included top highest paid athletes from every sports each year, but not cricket. This is because cricketers were not wealthy enough to rank on top of the Forbes list, and cricket was not among highest earning sports due to two major reasons, that is limited audience and lack of sponsors. But in 2008, cricket got commercialized with the initiation of franchise-based Indian Premier League. This transition from Test cricket to T20 leagues not only helped cricket world to generate more revenues, but also improved financial condition of the players. As a result, cricketers of present era are now richest as compared to past, because they can make huge money from tournaments such as IPL, Big Bash and PSL. In this video, we will discuss about top 11 wealthy cricketers of the world with their source of income. Number 11. AB de Villiers. AB de Villiers is known as Mr. 360 for his shots all around the cricket ground. He has net worth of $25 million, which is equal to 177 crores Indian rupees. His net worth makes him fourth richest athlete of South Africa. His main source of income is domestic T20 leagues. He is the one of the most expensive players in IPL. On average, he earns 11 crore Indian rupees every year for playing an IPL season. Number 10. Shane Watson. Shane Watson is an Australian cricket all-rounder. He has played for international level for Australia and domestic T20 leagues. He has played for Rajasthan Royals, Chennai Super Kings in IPL, Quetta Gladiators in PSL, and Sydney Thunders in Big Bash League. He has net worth of $30 million, which is equal to 220 crores Indian rupees. Out of total $30 million net worth, his total IPL income from 2008 to 2020 is $10 million, which is equal to 73 crores Indian rupees. While rest of $20 million he made from playing at international cricket and other domestic leagues. Shane Watson was the most expensive player in IPL 2016. Number 9. Shahid Afridi. Boom Boom Afridi has net worth of $30 million, which is equal to 220 crores Indian rupees. Apart from playing for Pakistan, he has experience of playing in all T20 leagues of the world. Shahid Afridi likes to spend most of his money in charity work through his organization, Shahid Afridi Foundation. Number 8. Yuvraj Singh. Yuvraj Singh ranks on 8th position in richest cricketer of world. He has net worth of $35 million, which is equal to 250 crores Indian rupees. He was the highest paid cricketer for IPL season 2014 and 2015. Delhi Daredevils purchased him for 16 crore Indian rupees in 2015. His other income sources are from endorsements of brands such as Puma, LG, Reebok, Xbox, Revital, and Pepsi. Number 7. Virender Sehwag. Virender Sehwag has a net worth of $40 million, which is equal to 290 crores Indian rupees. In his 8 years IPL career, he played for Delhi Daredevils and Kings 11 Punjab. Besides IPL, his earning sources are from TV commentary and endorsing different brands such as Boost, Samsung, Reebok, Adidas and some other brands. Number 6. Shane Warne. Legend Australian leg spinner Shane Warne retired from international cricket in 2006, but he is still one of the richest cricketer of the world. He has net worth of $52 million, which is equal to 380 crores Indian rupees. He was the winning captain of Rajasthan Royals in first IPL season of 2008. Number 5. Brian Lara. Brian Lara has been recognized as one of the greatest cricketers of all time. He has net worth of 60 million US dollars, which is equal to 440 crores Indian rupees. Brian Lara was also the brand ambassador of Indian tire company MRF, which helped him to gain worldwide popularity. Brian Lara has become professional golfer after cricket retirement and has won different international golf tournaments. Number 4. Ricky Ponting. Ricky Ponting is the only cricketer to win 2 consecutive World Cups. Under his captaincy, Australia won 2003 and 2007 Cricket World Cup. He has net worth of 65 million US dollars, which is equal to 470 crores Indian rupees. His main source of incomes are brand endorsements for Adidas, Rexons, Pura Milk and Kookaburra bats. His other source of income is coaching for IPL team Delhi franchise since 2018. Number 3. Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli is the current Indian captain and most marketable player in the world. He has net worth of 92 million US dollars, which is equal to 670 crores Indian rupees. Kohli is ranked at 83 position on Forbes list 2020. He is the only Indian cricketer who made on top 100 athletes list in the world. He is the highest paid cricketer in India in 2020 and the highest paid cricketer of IPL season 2020 by earning 17.5 crores from his franchise Royal Challengers Bangalore. His other source of income are his investment. Virat Kohli owns FC Goa Soccer Club in ISL, Rogan and 1-8 fashion brand with partnership of Puma. Number 2. MS Dhoni. MS Dhoni is the most successful Indian cricket captain. Because of his tremendous success, he has net worth of 111 million US dollars, which is equal to 810 crores Indian rupees. He is the owner of Chennaiyin FC soccer team in ISL. MS Dhoni earns approximately 15 crore Indian rupees per season to play for Chennai Super Kings since 2008. Number 1. Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin is the world's best cricket batsman of all time and richest Indian sportsman. Sachin Tendulkar has net worth of 170 million US dollars, which is equal to 1200 crores Indian rupees. Sachin endorses many global brands such as MRF, BMW, Pepsi, Castrol, and Visa. He is the owner of Pro Kabaddi League team Tamil Thlaivas. Sachin was listed on Forbes list for highest paid athletes in 2013. You might notice that almost half of the list comprises Indian batsmen. This is because cricket is most popular game in India. Many cricketing stars have become national icon and most brands use their reputation for marketing purpose. In short, cricket has become a commercial game and this transition has been accepted both by fans and players.